My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Baby, I don't wanna hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong, baby. Hey, I don't see nothing wrong. I don't see nothing with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Oh yeah. It's been one of those days, crew. Started off not too bad. Working at a school. Everybody from my work was all there. Placed a couple leaking valves on the cooling side, the glycol heat system and chiller cool system. Went pretty well. I went to some lady's house, did some miscellaneous shit. Then we'll get to the next part. Did Brown Glass, the high gravity hurricane, Molika. Still this day, one of the best, one of the smoothest, and one of the most powerful. Probably, I'd say at least 5 categories of high gravity malt liquors on the market. So anyways, I call up my boss and I'm like, hey, I'm done at this bitch's house. What's next? So I'll just go to the wholesale house and then call me. Which is never good because it's like, usually it's like, oh, go here and do this. So no, drive across town and then call me. Okay. So I get there and one of our close customers, and we actually do a lot of work for his company, his sister's house, I guess. His basement with a sewage ejector that's, the pump has failed and the entire sewage can is full. So I proceeded to remove the lid and pull the pump out of it and replace it. And there was a orange colored shit floating right on top. Oh, but I fucking got it done. And I took a bath in hand sanitizer. Bought a new truck. Actually, my boss's old truck. Thought about putting it in the video, but there's like fucking 5 people outside right now. And I don't feel like being that weirdo that's like videotaping himself, drinking malt liquor, fucking trying to show off a truck. But definitely got to show it off here shortly. Got a 2009 GMC Crew Cab Sierra 1500. It's kind of like a glossy brown with a Black wheels, kind of got little mudder tires on it. Black leather interior with the wood grain. It's really nice shape. Really cool looking truck. I'm sure I'll show you shortly. It's game day, folks. Got these fucking Pringles, spicy guacamole. Spokane, Washington is excited today. Gonzaga is in the final championship versus Baylor. The game this weekend was insane. Almost went to double overtime and was won by a half-court shot. Here in about an hour, we're going to start watching the final game. If Gonzaga wins, then it will be the first Gonzaga championship. March Madness, folks. Get a little tipsy, but not wasted. What you know about root beer ice 101 shots? Probably fucking nothing. You might know about a banana fucking 99 shot, but you don't know about no root beer ice 101. Rugby. Bruce to the motherfucking Swillis. Praise be to the motherfucking Carhartt crew, the 40-ounce crew, the MLDC. None of that gay shit that's going on the fucking internet nowadays, folks. Good fucking God. I can't even watch the shit. Straight up offended. Shout out to the fucking lowrider and oldies drinking crew group, Instagram fucking chat, and everybody in it. Moly.